The key to being a successful entrepreneur is to manage your day effectively. And today, and you can only do that once you manage your task in the right way. And today I will show you how you can manage your task in the most effective way, how you can build an AI agent that will help you to manage your task and 10 times to 20 times increase your efficiency in your work in your day, right? So you can do more by working less. All right. So I will show you how you can build this AI agent. So right now, if you see, I asked it to add two different tasks on my task list, right? First is I need to do some change, some shopping tomorrow and write an email list. And then it came back to me with an answer. I have successfully created the two tasks for you. Do some shopping, which is for tomorrow because I asked it to do it tomorrow, right? And then it set a due date for that as well. It gave the task, write the notes, and due date. So if I wanted to check, I can simply go on my task list and you see two new tasks are added over here, right? So I already have few tasks over here. Let's try to see if AI can recognize those tasks and tell us. So let's ask, can you tell me what task for today is pending? Okay, so I'm asking it if there is any pending task that I have to do. So, okay, let's see that hidden action. So now AI will take that and run this AI agent. Let's wait for it. Yeah. Okay, sometimes you have to you have to do this earlier. Yeah, now here it is. So it is running the AI agent and now checking the task list for me. It returns check all the task and here is the answer. So here are your pending tasks for today, right? So it knows the what is the day today and what are the tasks that I have pending. So relax and do the what you love, notes, okay, record one more video for channel. All right. So I see one of these tasks. Let's try to complete one of these tasks. Okay. So let's say, okay, my first task for relaxation is done. Okay. Let's just turn it on. Okay. Please mark it done. Okay. So let's see if AI can mark the task done. So it remove from my list. So it is now running. It already set the complete task and now see over here. So you see it's gone. Let's see here. So here's the task is now completed. Okay. So this is just one example, right? Let's see one more thing. What you can do. Okay. Can you help me to prioritize my day tomorrow? Okay. So I am asking it to help me prioritize my day for tomorrow. Let's see what it responds. So we have some task already here for tomorrow, like this one, okay, and this one. So let's see what it say. Now what it will do, it will go and check all my task list over here, right? Using the AI to think smartly, to act smartly, okay, and respond. So now it already checked the task and now it is coming over here. So do some shopping, write an email list. Okay. So to help you prioritize your task for tomorrow, here are your current tasks. So instead prioritization, do some shopping. Okay, write an email. Is for prioritization. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Any other task for tomorrow and create a proper schedule for me. Okay, so here I ask it to check if there is any other task for tomorrow and use that and create a proper schedule for me. So let's see. Here it is now running again, right? Checking all the tasks over here and now thinking and returning me the answer. So let's see what we got. Almost here. Okay, let's see. So for tomorrow, you have the following tasks: do some shopping, write an email, update the sales page for the client. So here is the proposed schedule. 9 to 10 a.m. you can do some shopping. Okay, late morning you can write an email. Okay, then afternoon update the sales page for the client. So this is like how you give it a task, right? So for example, if you have like 10, 15, 20 different tasks that you need to done, You can tell it which task is urgent for you, which is not. And then based on your smart thinking, it will tell you which you should do first. Okay. You also have to give it a little bit information more about your business, how you operate, what is the more priority for you, right? What is your daily schedule? What you figure out, what is most important for you. You have to tell it in the first hand, so it give you the best schedule for your day. Now let's see how we can build this. So first thing that we did, we integrate the Telegram over here, right? So if you wanted to connect it with the WhatsApp, if you wanted to connect it with the Slack or different chat bot, different chat channel, whatever you use on a daily basis, you can connect that. So I connected Telegram over here. Okay. For that, what you have to do, you have to go to this bot father Telegram bot. Okay. Here you can create your own bots that will help you to integrate with n8n. Okay. Once you do that, I already shared this in my previous videos. You can check that how to integrate the Telegram uh, with the n8n. After that, you have to give it the message. So voice message will take over here, right? We first download the voice message, all right, and then we convert that voice message into an audio using the Chat GPT. Okay, Chat GPT OpenAI transcribe model. So we use that to convert the voice into the text, and then we give it to the n8n to process, right? So then AI agent take the text or the video or the audio, text or audio, and then process it over here. So here I have a pretty simple prompt right now to tell it like it is a smart AI agent and how it operates. All right. And then it use all these different tools over here. So I am using the Google Task Manager over here, but you can use your own task system. So if you are using the Notion, you can use the Notion here, right? So I'm connected the chat model, the OpenAI chat model. You can connect the Claude if you can have the DeepSeek or the Grok, you can connect that. But OpenAI chat model is good for these kind of purposes, building the schedule, right? Like writing the code. I found OpenAI's work better in these things, right? So you can simply connect that over here. How you build the connection? Click on this, right? And here you have to enter your OpenAI API key. Okay. So if I click again, it's just taking a time. So here you have to input the API key that you will find out in the api.openai.com site. You can copy your API key from there. Just update, like you have to add some budget. So you can add $5 budget over there and you can use it, you start using it, right? Just keep adding the budget when it's over. All right. Then here we connected a simple memory so that it recognized the things that we discussed, and then it gave us a better output. All right. So it don't forget what we discussed previously. So it just helpful for us to remind and make the AI a little more smart. Okay. And then we have like different task over here, like if you wanted to update the task, right? So we can change the task, due date, notes, title, description. Okay, then we can return. If you wanted to check what are our task list, whatever the previous list, what are the next task, we can simply return all the tasks from here to the AI agent, and then it will tell us what was our task list. Right? We can create any task, we can delete the task, we can complete, mark the task is done when it's done. Right? So after once it's done, it will reply us again back on the uh, Telegram, or if you are using the Slack, then on the Slack. So this is pretty smart AI agent. What you have to do more over here that actually make it much more smarter for you. So in this place, right, in the system message, you have to tell it how you operate your own day, right? How you operate, like what is your priority for the day. So when you ask it like, help me to build my schedule for the day, first you have to tell this AI agent, right? You have, while building this AI agent, you have to tell it like how I operate my day. So for example, you have to say it like, uh, uh, here is my priority. Uh, just ignore my spelling. So here you have tell like, okay, uh, I first prefer to do my client task, which is urgent or due since 2 3 days or more. Okay, so if something is like overdue, like since long time, or there is some urgent client task, I need to do that first. Okay, then I jump over my planned office work. Okay. Then like if I have my task list schedule already decided what the task I have to do, I jump on that. Okay. Then I prefer to allot some personal time. So you can say, like, based on what is your priority. If, for example, in your business specifically, right, there are certain tasks, certain kind of tasks that is like most important for you, right? The admin task or the meetings, right? Or the meeting with the CEO or the managers in the company. If you have that kind of task, you can schedule those as put as the most priority. Depend on how you operate your own day. You have to first train the AI agent on the basis of that, and then AI agent will generate the more proper, more accurate, and more better schedule for you, right? So just use that, and you can build a whole AI masters task management system for yourself that will help you to never forget any task and manage it in a smart way. Now, one thing, if you wanted this complete template for this AI agent, right? If you wanted this complete template so that you can just copy and paste it and start using it, or if you wanted to know how to build it from scratch, step by step process, then you can join my AI school membership. Here I will give you all kind of teach all kind of AI tools that will help you to save your time in your business, save your time in your life, so that you can enjoy your life more. Basically, the purpose someone become the entrepreneur, I wanted to make that purpose true by putting the AI in their business, in their life, so they can enjoy the you can enjoy more of your time by doing what you love to do. Okay. So if you want this template, or if you want a step-by-step guidance on how to build this, you can join my membership. If you like this kind of videos and wanted to learn more how you can build an AI agent, AI system, AI automation that save you more time, you can subscribe to my channel and watch more videos. I will see you in the next video.